What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Mazda 3 car remote. All you need is a small flat screwdriver. First thing you're going to do is take your remote with the key flipped open. You're going to find the little tab that's down in the slot. I'm going to turn the light on for you here. See that little tab? You're going to press down on the tab with the screwdriver. It'll pop open. Next, you're going to take the two halves and pull them apart. Next, you're going to take the half that does not have the key, find the tab at the top with the screwdriver, insert the screwdriver, twist the screwdriver, and it should pop apart. Next, you're going to pull the two halves apart gently. Don't lose any of the buttons. Then remove the circuit board. Under the circuit board, you'll see the battery. You're then going to take your screwdriver and gently pry the battery out. Make sure you don't break any of the tabs off. You'll see that this battery is a CR1620, 3 volt. Then I'm going to take your replacement battery and place it back in with the positive side down. It should kind of pop back into place and hold itself. You're then going to clip the two halves back together, making sure that everything is in alignment. You're then going to take the half with the key and simply clip it back together, making sure that the slot for the key is in alignment. Double check that it's not going to come apart, and you're all set. Thanks guys. Please consider subscribing and liking this video.